In this lesson, we will discuss this question, and the question is what rational expression should be subtracted? Right? Subtracted means minus or negative from this expression to get this. One more time I will read for you, then it will be very much easy for you to solve it. What rational expression should be subtracted from this expression to get this? Right? So simple. So we will start our question. 2x square, our this expression is 2x square plus x minus 7 and divided by x square plus x negative 6 minus, you have to subtract this, x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. So simple. First of all, we will see, can we take anything common? No. Can we make the factorization? Okay, yes, we can do the factorization. 2x square plus 2x negative 6 will remains the same. For the denominator, we can make the factorization x square plus 3x negative 2x minus 6, and we cannot make x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 more in more simplified form. Okay, so the numerator will remains the same, 2x square plus 2x minus 7, and then from this is one set, this is one set. From this we will take x as a common, x plus 3 minus 2 x plus 3, and then here we have x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. What is remaining? I can do here, right? Or if, okay, I can do on the other slide. So here we have 2x square plus 2x negative 7 after taking the LCM, x plus 3, or where I have, okay, I can write down one step here. So here is 2x square plus 2x negative 7, and here we have x plus 3 as common because both parentheses are same, multiply by x minus 2, and here is x minus 1 and x minus 2. Now we are going to take the LCM, and the LCM should be x plus 3 into x minus 2, because if something is common we have to write down only one time. Whatever is remaining, x plus 3, we have to write down one time. So x plus 3 minus this will be your LCM, and here we have x plus 3 into x minus 1. Now this we have to, first we have to multiply these two parentheses, then we will change the sign. X square minus x plus 3x minus 3, and then x plus 3 into x minus 2. Right, so it will be 2x square plus 2x minus 7 minus x square plus x minus 3x plus 3, and see now this is negative x square, this is positive, so we have x square here, this is minus 3x, and this is positive 3x, right? And this is minus 7 and plus 3, so it will be minus 4 divided by x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now I can do here, right? So this is the, we can make the square of the first term and the second term. So this is a square minus b square, we can write down here directly, one time with positive, one time with negative, and then we have x plus 3 into x minus 3. X minus, sorry, this is 2 and this is also 2. So x minus 2, x minus 2 will cross each other. What is remaining? X plus 2 divided by x plus 3. This is the simplest form and this is the answer. So the question was, what rational expression should be subtracted from this expression to get this? So our answer is x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Right? What I did here, one more time I will explain to you. This expression you have to write down, then you have to subtract this x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Make the factorization if we can, and then we have to take the LCM. After LCM we will change the sign, because in the middle we have negative, and the negative sign will change all the signs inside the parenthesis. Simplify it, we will get x square minus 4, which is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. So at the end we have x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. I hope this question is clear, but if still you have any question, please ask me and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.